I'm kind of speaking, just jumping, just because it just kind of got in my head here. April 1st, 3 more days.
Yes. There you go. I know what you're gonna say.
It's a red one of these, not black, but you've got a kill lanyard on your boat. Boats under 26 feet, you've got to wear the ignition cutoff switch now.
Mm-hmm.
So hook them up. The Coast Guard's gonna, the FWC or Marine Patrol, Coast Guard or whatever, excuse me, when they're pulling up, you don't want to be, they're going to see you fiddling around and trying to hook it to yourself and all that stuff. So
it's like your seatbelt.
It's there for a precaution. It's there. It's a good thing. I don't know if I'm not sure if we've talked about this or not, but Fell Marine won the National Safety Awards this year that we put out there through the Sober Skipper Foundation and CETO and everything. And it's a wireless kill switch, and they're actually working with Sea Ray and Boston Whaler now. I think the 2022 is coming out. You're going to have the option of having the kill switch done that way.
That's something I was going to ask you, Keith. Do those, for the law, I know that you're way more in tune to the law with that than I am. Do those wristbands, are they sufficient to not get a fine?
Yep. So
okay,
they've got the wristbands, so you can, your kids, you can order multiple bands, so you can put them on your kids. So if you're trolling and little Susie falls in the water and you may not realize it or something's going on, as soon as it hits the water, it's going to kill the engine, right? Then there's a way to override it so that you can turn around and go back and get her. But it just makes sense, like say these guys that are up north fishing in these like a little Lund aluminum boats, right? Or you're doing stuff and you're bending over, and that's where accidents happen, is most people fall out of boats. So, and if the boat's running, it's going to go, then it's going to make that turn to port and it's going to start doing donuts, and then your circle gets tighter and tighter and you end up taking a chance of getting run over. Yeah. So wearing the lanyard will obviously eliminate that. And then with all these new digital electronic type ones that are activated, then it gives you the freedom to walk around your boat and do stuff. So Fell Marine, look them up. They've got great videos, great content, show you how to install one yourself.